So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit font size here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, simply just for this example here, I'm going to type in, this is the font size. So as you can tell, the font size is what it is. Now, if you want to change the font size, for example, you can go ahead to the right hand side of your screen here to where there's this number right here. So as of, when I was typing, the font size was 21 points. Now, if you want to change this, I can simply just press the arrow up, press the arrow down. So if I want to go ahead and change this, for example, to, let's just say 40 font, this is the new font size, just like that. Now, if you want to go ahead and maybe highlight your previous text and improve the font size, you can go ahead and do that as well. You can type in a custom font size as well. So if you want maybe 10 font size, you can press on 10, then press on enter. Now the font size for this one is 10. So you can play around with it, do whatever you have to do, but pretty much this is how to, I guess, change or edit the font size here in a Pages document. So hopefully this video helps, and thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.